Alright guys, welcome to this video. So in this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to convert text to voiceovers. So in my last video, I taught you how to convert text into videos using fliki.ai. So in this case, we are going to be converting text to voiceovers. So when you go to fliki.ai, you want to ensure that you are logged in. So this is me here, I am logged in. So I want to create a new file. So I click on new file. So I'm going to name my file. So let's call our file name, we call it voice over one. But in this case, we are creating an audio file. In my last video, we created a video, right? So in this case, we are creating an audio file. So we are going to be selecting audio and you click on submit. So you are going to be using a prompt. You can either start with an idea, right? You can start with a script. You can also, copy a blog post and post it right here. So in this case, we are going to be using a script. You can use an idea, you can use a script, and you can use a blog. So in this case, we are going with a script. So I'm going to click on submit. So fliki.ai is going to bring us to this interface. So what we are going to do now, we are going to go over to chatgpt.com. So here on chatgpt.com, we are simply going to be generating a script for our voiceover. I go over here on ChatGPT. So when I'm on the chatgpt.com site, I come over here to the box section and input this prompt. So I can ask ChatGPT to write me a story of how lion became king of the jungle. So I'm going to be asking ChatGPT that, and I'm going to click on send. So we wait for ChatGPT to generate the script. So this script is what I'm going to copy and bring over here to fliki.ai, right? I copy the script and paste it right over there. And fliki.ai is going to convert this script into a voiceover. It's going to convert it into an audio. So I simply click on copy here and just simply paste it right over here on the fliki.ai site. So you can see that it is too long. If it is too long like this, you just simply want to summarize it. And I click on summarize. So I don't want it to exceed a minute, but in your case, you can decide to, exceed a minute for whatever purpose you are creating the video for. Then I click on submit. So we wait for Fliki AI to convert this script into a voice over. So you can see here Fliki.ai has already generated the voice over. So I'm simply going to play it right here. Click on the preview button and wait for fliki.ai to play your voice over. So that is that about that, guys. That is how you convert your text into voice over. So in case you want to make some edits on your text, you can simply click here, click on this section right here, and you can simply edit your text in whatever way you want to edit them. So this is simply how you use Fliki AI to convert text into voiceover, into audio format. And if you want to download, you simply click right here. You click on download, you download the audio, and you come over here and click on start export. So you click here, you are satisfied, and Fliki AI is going to download the file for you. So you just give a little time, say a minute or so before it downloads. So after Fliki AI has exported the audio, you can just simply check it again right here, play it, listen to it again, and if you have any mistakes whatsoever, you can always go back and edit it. So I click on download mp3, and Fliki AI is going to download the video right into our system, as you can see right here. So that was fast. So this is our file here, voice over one. So guys, that is how you use Fliki AI to convert your text to videos and also to audios. So we only use two sites. We use the fliki.ai site, and we also use chat.openai.com, also chatgpt.com. So we use just Fliki AI and chatgpt.com. So guys, if you got value from this video, leave a like on the video, give this video a thumbs up so that YouTube can recommend this video to more persons, and also feel free to subscribe for more content like this. I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace out.